Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful plastic bottles crafts ideas. So I hope you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today videos. So friends, my first idea is weavers. Friends, viewers, my first idea plastic water flower pot. An empty plastic bottle can easily become a cute little flower pot. Simply cut the bottle into the shape you want, decorate it with paint, ribbon or colorful paper and add your favorite plant. You can make pot in different color and place them together to create a beautiful mini garden. Hanging planters. Plastic bottles are also perfect for making hanging planter. Cut the bottle carefully, make small holes for hanging and decorate the outside. Fill it with soil and a small plant. You can hang several bottles together and create a beautiful garden for your balcony or wall. Plastic bottle flowers. This is one of the most creative ideas. The bottom part of a plastic bottle can be cut and shaped like a flower. Paint each piece in different color and add a small button or beads in the center. You can attach this flower to a wall, garden stick and decorative frame. They can look beautiful when flower and placed together. And weavers, my next idea is weavers. You are enjoying more videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So viewers, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care and khada.